Yung missile na kinakatakutan ng China, bibili ang Pilipinas. Si mismong AFP Chief Romeo Brawner ang nagbalita na niyan. Pag nakabili tayo ng Typhoon missile, try ng China Coast Guard palubugin ang isa sa barko ng PCG. Talagang lalamon kayo ng missile nang wala sa oras. Etong eksaktong missile kasi na ito ang pinapaalis ng China sa Pilipinas. Kung nababahala sila dito, edi kinakatakutan rin nila to. Nakailang beses na rin kasing nakikiusap at nagmamakaawa ang Chinese Foreign Ministry, tanggalin na yan sa Pilipinas. Pero deadma ang AFP at nananatili pa rin to hanggang ngayon. Naka-high alert at ready to attack.
It's trying to get in the latest weapon systems that are out there, enough for us to develop a deterrent effect. So one of the modern weapons are, of course, the missile systems. In fact, we already have the BrahMos mid-range missile systems. We are wanting to get more of the latest weapon systems. That includes the mid-range capability. So, as early as now, while we don't have them yet, just like what we did with the Stingers, with the Javelins, we start training already, even if we don't have them in our inventory.
Pero kahit wala pa ang missile sa inventory ng militar, marunong nang magpasabog ang Philippine Army ng ganitong klaseng kalakas na armas. Maalalang pinasabog to during Balikatan 2024 at nasundan pa to na AFP na mismo ang nag-operate nang walang tulong ng US Army.
So, the objective is for us to train together with our strategic ally on the use of modern weapon systems. That is why we are very thankful that the United States comes to the Philippines every year during Balikatan exercise, not just during Balikatan exercises, but the other exercises, bringing with them the latest weapon systems that they have, so that they could also expose the Philippine forces on the use of these modern weapons.
Nag-offer ang US na sasama na sila sa resupply mission dito para palagan ang walang hiyang China. Pero gaya nung naunang desisyon ng Defense Department, hindi na muna. Di pa daw kailangan ang tulong ng Amerikano. Siguro napapansin ng AFP na pumapalag naman tayo, kaya naman daw natin ang China Coast Guard. Pero sana tinanggap na nila to para tignan natin kung mambubuli pa rin ang mga incheck sa harap ng mga Amerikano.
We're happy that the United States has given us a lot of options, including that of joining or escorting us for the RORE. But as I said earlier, we are going to do the mission unilaterally. We will depend on ourselves first, and we will try to exhaust all the options first before asking help. After we exhaust all of the options and if nothing works, then that's the time we can ask for help. No? Ang gusto natin sabihin is, habang kaya natin, gagawin natin.
So with the recent incidents, sir, do you think we can still do it in our own capacity?
Yes, definitely. No? Kayang-kaya natin. The Armed Forces of the Philippines is very much capable of conducting the RORE safely and successfully. And of course, this is not just the AFP. We also are in collaboration with the Philippine Coast Guard, with the Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources. And in fact, we have the whole of nation approach behind us.
Salamat talaga US at andyan kayo. Papaano na lang kung China kumampi si PBBM? Di nawala na ang West Philippine Sea, nalugi pa sa posibleng hatian sa oil at natural gas doon. Kayo, anong masasabi nyo sa patuloy nyo suportang binibigay ng Amerika? I-komento sa baba ang inyong salog.